आपने अपने करियर में बड़ी जल्दी फेम देख लिया एंड जितने लोग एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं कि जी 5 से 10 साल के अंदर हम यहाँ पहुँचेंगे, यू वर अ हाउस होल्ड नेम विद इन अ ईयर. और वो ये उस टाइम पे हम बात करें जबकि सिर्फ एक आउटलेट होता था, सोशल मीडिया तो एग्जिस्ट ही नहीं करता था, ऑल दैट. वर यू प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर इट?
नॉट एट ऑल. आपने पूछा था ना कि यू स्टे आउट ऑफ द लाइमलाइट, उस लिहाज से. सो वो रियलाइजेशन जो थी वाज आफ्टर दैट. आई रिमेंबर एक रात पहले तन्हाइयाँ जब ऑन एयर हुआ है, बहरोज हमें मिले थे. आई हैड गॉन आउट फॉर पान. What was the pan? Diana's
the
pan.
young Behrooz. We're talking about the young Behrooz.
So he says कि कल से तुम्हारी लाइफ चेंज होने वाली है. मैंने and I was like ha. हाँ.
This was the first episode.
First episode. Okay. First episode on air होने वाला था. And I was like हाँ होगा, you know. And you don't take it seriously because आप तो एक काम कर रहे हैं.
Yeah.
ठीक है, आपने काम किया and all. And it was just so much fun because actually Shehzad Khalil was the reason I did what I did. He was just one of the most wonderful human beings I've ever met in my entire life. और मैं ये कहती थी कि शहजाद खलील could convince a पत्थर to act. Meaning वो because मैंने कहा मेरी उर्दू, you know, there were so many things कि मैं कैसे करूँगी, क्या है क्या कहते, just you know that's something that I will guide you. And knowing all of that, उन्होंने जो फर्स्ट राशिद मिन्हास जो मैंने किया था उसमें डायलॉग्स ही नहीं रखे थे. कहता है अब ऊपर देखो, दिस इज द लुक, यू नो. सो ही गाइडेड मी इन दैट रिस्पेक्ट एंड देन ही नोटिस्ड मी बिहाइंड when the camera would be off, I would be a very different person. And he noticed all of the शरारतें तो नहीं, but the way I would do things, like, you know, the way I'm talking to you right now, you know, छोटी मोटी चीज़ें. And then he put my name for तन्हाइयाँ. And he wanted me, कहते जो तुम हो तुम वही करो. तुमने, then it was a...
Because you never saw someone be, I think the best thing वो जो तन्हाइयाँ की थी कि you weren't acting, you were just being yourself.
Exactly. So I think first time round जब आप TV, especially हम लोग किसी उससे तो नहीं आते ना, education of the field से तो नहीं आते ना. तो I think first time round you're always yourself and you should be. Because otherwise आप क्या करें, मुझे क्या पता कि कैरेक्टर क्या होता है. So he just wanted the शरारती and he saw the elements. The elements were there, and then, you know, there's certain things I would do and he would just capture it. Not that I was thinking about it, but, you know, he's saying, okay, if this is the situation, how would you really, like, if you came to a nashte ki table, you go like, you know. So he's saying, just do that. Just be yourself. And that was it. I'm meaning for me, my fame was not me. It was everyone else around me. I was just part of a drama.
मैंने अतीका जी से पूछा था, मैंने कहा वो कौन सा ऐसा पॉइंट था कि जब आपको लगा मेरी ज़िंदगी बदल गई है. तो उन्होंने बताया था कि मैं नुमान फ़्लाइट लेके वापस आए थे बिकॉज हम लोग शूट करे थे, आई डिडंट नो कि धूप किनारे है और ये हो गया. तो जब हम लोग लैंड किए हैं तो अखबारों में सब कुछ लगा था, तो मैं एयरपोर्ट पे खड़ी थी और एकदम मैं देख रही हूँ मेरे इर्द गिर्द ना लोग आना शुरू हो गए. कहती हूँ मैं, मतलब आई वाज़न्ट प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर दैट. मुझे पता लग गया था कि, तो आपके साथ कोई इस तरह का इंसिडेंट हुआ कि मतलब इट हिट यू कि ओके my life has changed now?
I think in those days, एक तो इतवार बाज़ार और जुमा बाज़ार में नहीं जा सकती थी. And I loved going to इतवार बाज़ार और जुमा बाज़ार. तो वो तो एकदम से नो हो गया था. But शारजा के मैचेस थे and we were invited, Shanaz and myself, and just to be part of that, and Shakil and Leila Zubairi, we were the 4 people who were invited. उस वक्त धुआं नहीं था, सॉरी, लैला ज़ुबैरी का एक बहुत फेमस प्ले था, क्वेटा से चला था, एंड शकील साहब तो खैर शकील साहब थे. एंड सो दैट इन इटसेल्फ वाज अ मोमेंट बिकॉज यू नो, जस्ट टू बी इनवाइटेड, because Sharjah at that time was just, you know, and there used to be that box where all the celebrities would sit. So I never thought of myself as a celebrity. You know, you were just someone who was acting and you were part of a fraternity kind of a thing. Then Shanaz and I, after one of the matches, हम लोग जो गाड़ियाँ हमारे लिए आती थी उसमें हम बैठे, and it was broad daylight, within seconds that car was black, pitch black inside. because we were just surrounded by people. And these are all the guys who were coming out of the match. Match khatam hua tha, and then the car started moving. और मेरी तो हालत दोनों, we were just clutching each other. So that realization was for me not so much कि आप कुछ बन गए हैं, लेकिन popularity के लिहाज से कि कितने लोगों ने देखा, and this is the feeling. Those are the people who wanted to meet you. जो public, because public का इतना interaction नहीं है ना. अब तो public is in your face.
हाँ, तो सारी बात.
So that time तो public would be actually in your face.
But now हम लोग इस चीज़ के लिए prepared भी होते हैं.
हाँ,
आप लोग तो
exactly.
prepared भी नहीं थे.
नहीं, not at all.
I think the best part was कि आप और शहनाज जी दोनों के साथ एक साथ ही ये चीज़ हुई. तो वो both of you each other's कहते support at that time?
Well, Shanaz had done Ankahi.
अच्छा, हाँ.
So she'd already, हाँ.
So she was kind of like, yeah,
Yeah,
this
yeah.
is going to happen.
Yeah,
and everything
yeah.
and all that.
हाँ, Shanaz had done Ankahi. So yeah, I was the only newcomer on that set.
New kid on the block.
Yeah.
जितने आपने वो दौर देखा और वो जो स्क्रिप्ट्स आना शुरू हुई और उसके बाद एकदम इतने मतलब फेम के बाद you just went away in the early 2000s. You just disappeared. क्या हुआ क्या था?
That was because I think I woke up one day and I said I don't really enjoy acting.
Really?
हाँ, so because and I don't know why I enjoy it much more now. I take it more as जैसे आप कोई डायलॉग बोल रहे हैं, देन आपको बिलीव करना है कि ये कैरेक्टर ये डायलॉग बोल रहा है. उस वक्त मुझे लगता था कि बड़ी स्ट्रेंज सी फीलिंग है, like it was fine till we were in the PTV studios, and there was a discipline जिसके तहत हम लोग चलते थे. And then of course वहाँ reactions, everything used to happen at the same time because it was a multi-camera shoot and everything. जब private sector आया ना, तो वहाँ मुझे नहीं मजा आया. वहाँ
outdoor
things changed.
deadlines.
हाँ, things changed, and I felt that I wasn't enjoying the process. I just wasn't enjoying the process. Then direction की तरफ मेरा ध्यान गया था, because शिजाद साहब को मैं जब देखती थी, I used to find that this is the position I would love to be in. What he is doing, creating something from scratch.
आप content wise नहीं satisfied थी या environment wise?
I think both. एक तो content भी थोड़ा सा गिर गया था. I remember in 90s वगैरह में शादी ब्याह ये सारी चीज़ें बहुत आ गई थी. ज़रा सा हम melodramatic भी हो गए थे. And then of course because PTV का environment इतना different था ना, because everything was air conditioned, आपको पता भी नहीं होता था कि बाहर क्या हो रहा है. You're in this very comfortable environment, गर्मी पसीना, and like I said, process जो था acting का वो मुझसे. So then I just switched to direction, and then that was what I did.
दोनों medium में से आपने ज़्यादा direction को enjoy किया?
मुझे अभी तक, yeah, I love direction. I really like it. Unfortunately, these days it's a very tough job. But at our time when we started, when the private sector started, हम लोग control बहुत हमारा था. We were producer directors. So उसमें आपका control था. अब आप you're just a director for hire, so you're relying on other people. तो वो ज़रा सा मुश्किल है.